I built this air purifier last summer, and it is still holding up and helped with my allergy. I can also place it on the window and pull in filtered fresh air. In the past 10 days, because of forest fire near Portland, Oregon, we have the worst air quality in the world. I need another air filter to clean up the air in my house. The quickest way to build one took me just 5 seconds. I simply placed the filter behind the fan. Then I set the fan speed to low or mid-range so as not to overwork the fan motor. I taped another layer of activated carbon filter to filter out the smell. I used MERV 13 filter, and I bought the activated carbon filter from eBay. The question is, how effective is this purifier? I used a new filter, and I used the setup for only roughly about 100 hours only, and all indoor. You can see the color change on the filter. You can also see the circular shape on the filter. This is most likely due to the design, without the pendulum to even out the airflow through the filter. I didn't expect the filter would be that dirty in 100 hours of use. Smoke from the forest fire isn't that strong inside my house. By the way, we also closed all the windows and doors. My conclusion is, it's better to have the purifier than without one, and it seemed to work. Please give me thumbs up if you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.